Here we have the Ryobi One Plus cordless lawn mower. The start handle has been pressed too hard and it has broken. On the other side below there's a safety switch that needs to be pressed first before the handle, otherwise the handle will break. Normally the switch is on top, but now the mower is upside down for repair. Let's open it up and see what's wrong. Mower is here to help with the repair. As you can see, one of the handles was previously repaired. The broken part was glued back together. Now a pin has snapped off and it can't be glued again. The switch is still working and doesn't need replacing. It was also previously repaired using thermoplastic polymer. Originally there were two small plastic pins sticking out of the switch, and these pins break easily if too much force is used on the handles. Luckily I still have some spare parts from the last time I ordered them. I'll replace both handles so they last a while longer. Now we screw the casing back on, with Mauri's help again. It would have been best to use some silicone grease here, but the handle will still work fine without it. This was an easy fix, since I had the spare parts ready. The handles now work properly. I make sure to press the switch underneath before squeezing the handle. Again, the mower is upside down for easier access during repairs. Here's the mower the right way up. You press and hold the middle switch and then pull the handle. The mower works perfectly now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.